Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch and instead of buffering, your Netflix movie downloads in the time it takes you to grab a snack. But wait, there's a twist. What if I told you that this isn't some sci-fi fantasy but China's latest move in the space race? Could they have just turned the moon into a giant Wi-Fi hotspot? Buckle up, because we're diving into the comedy of cosmic communication. Shocking news, folks! China has reportedly out-lasered Elon Musk's Starlink, claiming they can now transmit data at speeds so fast it's like downloading the entire internet while you're still deciding what to watch. But is this the dawn of 6G or just another case of been there, beamed that? According to the South China Morning Post, Changguang satellite technology has achieved a data rate of 100 gigabits per second. That's 10 times their previous record, folks. Now, if you're like me, your head's spinning with the thought, is this how we get cat videos from Mars? But let's not jump to conclusions. This isn't just about speed. It's about setting up the world's largest sub-meter commercial remote sensing satellite network. The speed is 1,000 times faster than the average UK 5G download speed, which hovers around 100 Mbps. Remember when the telegraph was the peak of human ingenuity? Well, this is like that, but instead of Morse code, we're sending memes at light speed. Historically, the Marconi's first transatlantic radio signal in 1901 was a game-changer. Now, China's leap in laser tech could be seen as a modern equivalent, minus the Victorian charm. Arthur C. Clarke once said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." Here, we're not just seeing magic, but perhaps the magic trick of the century. If Clarke were alive, he'd probably be saying, "I told you so, but with more lasers." NASA's T-Bird system hit 200 gigabits per second in 2023, showing that the US isn't far behind in this space race. In China, the Jilin-1 constellation is expanding, aiming for 300 satellites by 2027, each equipped with these laser units. The team faced hurdles like atmospheric turbulence. Sounds like my last attempt at baking, right? They managed to track beams with precision, which is like finding a contact lens in the ocean, but with lasers. This breakthrough is not just about speed, it's about overcoming the cosmic game of hide and seek with light beams. Elon Musk once quipped about space, "It's not rocket science." Well, actually it is. He hasn't commented directly on this, but one can imagine him thinking, "I guess I need to add more lasers to my shopping list." Meanwhile, scientists globally are likely whispering in labs, "Did anyone tell them we're not in a James Bond movie?" Some argue this could revolutionize not just communication, but also surveillance, with implications for privacy. Others counter that it's about connectivity, not spying, aiming to bring high-speed internet to remote areas faster than you can say satellite. MIT's 2022 laser transmission at 100 gigabits per second paved the way. Laser communication uses light waves, offering much higher bandwidth than radio waves, essentially turning space into a giant fiber optic cable. With this, China's aiming for something beyond just 6G. They're looking at a future where we might navigate using satellites, watch ultra-high-res movies from space, or even use it for emergency responses. But let's hope they don't start charging us for every byte like our internet providers. So, are we on the brink of a new era where your download speed is limited only by how fast you can click play? Or is this just another step in a long line of we-did-it-first space shenanigans? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The future looks bright, or at least very, very fast. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on whether we'll all be downloading our groceries from space next. And remember, in space, no one can hear you scream about buffering.
And do subscribe to the channel.